Mediterranean storm Daniel caused devastating floods in Libya that broke dams and swept away entire neighborhoods in multiple coastal towns in the east of the North African nation. As many as 2,000 people were feared dead. The destruction appeared greatest in Derna, a city formerly held by Islamic extremists in a chaos that has gripped Libya for more than a decade and left it with crumbling and inadequate infrastructure. Libya remains divided between two rival administrations, one in the east and one in the west, each backed by militias and foreign governments. The confirmed death toll from the weekend flooding stood at 61 as of late Monday, according to health authorities. But the tally did not include Derna, which had become inaccessible, and many of the thousands missing there were believed carried away by waters after two upstream dams burst. Video by residents of the city posted online showed major devastation. Entire residential areas were erased along a river that runs down from the mountains through the city center. Ahmed al-Masmari, a spokesman for the country's armed forces based in the east, told a news conference that the death toll in Derna had surpassed 2,000. He said there were between 5,000 and 6,000 reported missing. Al-Masmari attributed the catastrophe to the collapse of two nearby dams, causing a lethal flash flood. Derna itself, along with the city of Sirte, was controlled by extremist groups for years, at one point by those who pledged allegiance to the Islamic State group, until forces loyal to the east-based government expelled them in 2018. At least 46 people were reported dead in the eastern town of Beta. Abdurrahim Mazik, head of the town's main medical center, said 7 people have died in the coastal town of Susa, 7 others in Shat and Omar al-Mukhtar, and 1 in March. The Libyan Red Crescent reported 3 deaths while helping families in Derna. Dozens of others are missing, and authorities fear they could have died in the floods that destroyed homes and properties in several towns in eastern Libya. The Interior Minister of the East Libya government, Essam Abu Tsariba, said over 5,000 people were expected to be missing in Derna. The UN humanitarian coordinator for Libya, Georgette Gagnon, called on local, national, and international partners to provide urgent humanitarian assistance.
بس في السوق يا